today I want to talk about the topic of how to recognize self guilt and self shame. Okay, so actually, in this generation now, actually, when we were kids, I belong to like how to tell 80s. Now 2K kids and Gen Z kids, all that. What I most commonly see is there are so many kids who are very very materialistically successful. They are in good placement, they have good package of salary and all, but they materialistically successful but emotionally very down, very numb, and they are in that self guilt and self shame. Okay, so when you talk close only to that kids, or when they come to me for coaching, I'm able to recognize all that. So I wanted to make this small shots regarding that. So when the kids grow up now, when kids grow up, actually when they are from the lower caste family, still caste creed, everything. See, even though we humans don't see, okay, we people, there are still some people who don't not even bothered about caste creed community and all, but still in the same society there is also a crowd which talks about and which makes caste community and all into a big issue. All those things still exist. It has not completely vanished, isn't it? So it affects all these kids also. So when they grow up, and these parents also so much of into social how to tell image. Okay, so they want, even through their kids, they want to gain social image and social status, like that parents are also. So how parents from the small age itself, they bring up their kids itself. They said like, if you can't take first rank, or if you can't take second rank, then you are not my kid. So for small silly things, they disown their own kids. They do not know the future consequences of disowning their own kids. Kids usually are very emotionally sensitive. They get even for a small word from your mouth which is not into their vibration, they get hurt very badly. That too, when they are very young, when they get hurt, it affects them till their last breath. It is like that. So that wound is there within themselves, and they are hurt so badly, and they disown themselves. And when they disown themselves, they are not even confident enough. They are not like, their self-esteem goes down. They don't feel worthy enough. They don't value themselves. All these are lost in that kid. Okay, so it's such a valuable thing, and those kids do not recognize that self-guilt or self-shame. So what they do is, instead of they by themselves, they know that they are weak in emotional stability. Okay, so they know emotionally they are not strong also, and they also know they long for emotional dependency and emotional support and security, but they never had that emotional support and security. But so what they do is, they don't keep longing for that. Instead of expecting that, they fill that space with materialistic success. Okay, and they become very numb. They don't want to think anything about their past or their childhood. They don't want to think about their trauma and all, and they go very numb from within. For many years, they themselves do not know they are numb from within. Only when they want to manifest something, when they are trying for manifestation, when they are trying to come to self-alignment, they are not able to come to self-alignment because of this belief system, guilt, shame and all. So that time they suffer, and that time they realize all these things. So when they come to us for coaching, we give coaching how to come out of all these inferiority complex.